Have you been in this situation? You have joined a gym to reduce weight. You went there for a couple of months, then you left. You have started a course for getting a certification. You have done till half and then you left. You picked one book which you wanted to read. You have read only 50 pages and then you left. You have not finished any task yet. Your productivity is going down, your performance is going down, you are feeling frustrated, but still you are not finishing what you have started. Let me share with you a scenario. There was a person called Ramesh. He was having a very, cute small child. So he came one day at home from his office and it was heavily raining. And his son said that, Papa, I need chocolates. And he was crying and throwing tantrums that I want chocolate now only. You know what he did? He told to his son that just keep quiet, it is raining outside heavily. I will get it for you tomorrow when I'll come from office. Next day, he came home. It was again heavily raining. And that was the day when his son is having his birthday. Cake was not there. So he said that, Papa, what happened to the cake? So father said that, okay, we will wait for some time. Let the rain stop and then we will go and get the cake. Third scenario. He again came back from office after say 1 month. The same situation. It was raining heavily. Child was having 103 fever. Now you tell me what this particular father will do. He ran in that rain, got auto, took him to the hospital immediately. In all the three situations, the circumstances were same. It was raining heavily, but in the third situation, he didn't thought even for a minute and he took action. Why he took action? Because the purpose, the reason behind the action changed. Now the question for you is, if you have started something, make very clear that what is the reason why you have started. And if you don't achieve, and if you don't achieve, what is the big problem you will face? The problem should be so big that it should create anxiety in you. Say, suppose if this father would have not gone to the hospital on time, what would have happened? It's a matter of life and death. So if I am ready with my reasons very clear in my mind, and the reason should be so big that it should create that anxiety in me, then it will never happen that we will not finish what we have started. So please put it in DM that what is that one task you would like to choose and finish it, and what is that reason you wanted to finish, why you have to take action. Thank you so much. Bye bye.